Denial is a psychological defense mechanism in which individuals refuse to accept reality or facts, acting as if a painful event, thought, or feeling does not exist. This unconscious process helps protect the individual from experiencing unbearable emotions by blocking out what is too difficult to face. The term denial originated from the work of Sigmund Freud, the founder of psychoanalysis, in the early 20th century. Freud proposed that denial is one of several defense mechanisms used by the ego to manage internal conflicts and protect itself from psychological distress. His daughter, Anna Freud, further elaborated on this concept in her book, The Ego and the Mechanisms of Defense, categorizing and explaining various defense mechanisms, including denial. Here are 3 examples of denial. First, consider someone who has received a serious medical diagnosis, such as cancer, but insists that the doctor has made a mistake. By denying the reality of the diagnosis, the individual avoids the emotional distress associated with the illness. Second, a person who is struggling with substance abuse might refuse to acknowledge their addiction, claiming they can quit anytime they want, despite evidence to the contrary. This denial allows them to continue their behavior without confronting the need for change. Third, in the context of grief, a person who has lost a loved one might continue to act as though the deceased is still alive, avoiding the painful emotions associated with the loss. Let's look at 3 benefits of denial. First, it provides temporary emotional protection. By refusing to accept painful realities, denial allows individuals to avoid overwhelming emotions and function in their daily lives. Second, it can offer time to adjust. Denial can serve as a buffer period, giving individuals time to gradually come to terms with difficult news or situations before fully confronting them. Third, it helps maintain psychological stability. In the short term, denial can prevent an emotional breakdown by keeping distressing thoughts and feelings at bay. Now let's explore 3 criticisms of denial. First, it can hinder problem solving. By refusing to acknowledge reality, individuals may avoid taking necessary actions to address and resolve issues, potentially exacerbating problems in the long run. Second, it may lead to strained relationships. Denial can create friction and misunderstanding in relationships, as others may feel frustrated or hurt by the individual's refusal to face reality. Third, it can result in delayed healing. While denial provides temporary relief, it prevents individuals from processing and working through their emotions, delaying the healing and recovery process. To learn about other defense mechanisms, check out the videos on the screen or links in the pinned comment.